The start of digestion, the mouth.
Digestion begins the moment you take a bite. Your teeth break food into small pieces, while saliva mixes in, containing enzymes that start to break down carbohydrates. This chewed and moistened mass, called bolus, is then pushed by your tongue to the back of the throat, where swallowing sends it down the esophagus toward your stomach.
Down the hatch, esophagus and stomach.
The esophagus acts like a conveyor belt, moving food from the throat to the stomach through rhythmic muscle contractions called peristalsis. In the stomach, powerful acids and enzymes further break down food, turning it into a thick liquid called chyme. The stomach also churns food physically, helping to mix everything thoroughly.
Breaking it down, the small intestine.
Most digestion and nutrient absorption happen in the small intestine. Here, enzymes from the pancreas and bile from the liver continue to digest fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. Tiny finger-like structures called villi line the walls, absorbing nutrients and passing them into your bloodstream for your body to use.
Waste not, the large intestine.
Once nutrients are extracted, what's left moves to the large intestine. Here, water and some minerals are absorbed. Friendly bacteria help break down any remaining material, producing gases and certain vitamins. The leftover waste material becomes more solid as water is removed, preparing it for elimination.
The final step, elimination.
The journey ends when waste leaves your body. The rectum stores solid waste until it's ready to be expelled through the anus. This final process, called elimination, completes the digestive process, ensuring your body has used every bit of useful nourishment before discarding the rest.